Includes. This glass dessert set contains 3-quart glass bowl with plastic lid. Prepare, cover and go. Serve fruits, desserts, trifles, puddings, tiramisu, and more. Use. Unlike most trifle bowls, this avoids overly ornate designs in favor of the refinement and versatility of simplicity. All clear walls expand slightly to hold the most scrumptious desserts while showing off every intricate layer and detail. Durable. This trifle serving bowl is a mix of durable glass and expert style. Microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Thick walls built from sturdy glass means a more reliable dessert dish. Lead-free. BPA-free. Safe design. Anchor Hocking glass is healthier than plastic and metal. This trifle bowl will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals or microplastics into food. Made in USA. We began in Ohio in 1905 with the aim of maximizing your home's potential. Today our goal and location are the same. That's right. 115 years later, our glass dessert bowls are still proudly made in America. 3-quart Anchor Hocking glass trifle bowl with white plastic lid. Anchor glass is fire polished, giving it optimal radiance and added durability. Glass bowl is dishwasher safe. Lid is BPA free and top rack dishwasher safe. The Anchor Hocking Party Bowl has a classic design and includes a lid that makes storing and transporting a cinch. Don't show up to the party empty-handed or worry about spilling on your way there. This is perfect for registries, new homeowners and holidays. Anchor glass is made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Various usage from this bowl. Over 20 years I had this same bowl. This is the third bowl I've purchased. The first one was never returned after a party. The second, I gave to my daughter since I was moving. She always borrowed it anyway. This third one was the replacement for the last one I had. I like the versatility of it. It's a salad, dessert, main course, and leftover bowl. I've warmed up leftovers in the microwave and using the lid to refrigerate. It's also good to take to picnics and parties. FYI. Etch your bowl with a design and your name should you take it to potlucks. I hope the company doesn't discontinue this bowl as they have another similar to this one. In my opinion, their new one doesn't appeal to me as it seems smaller. Looking for my third bowl took me over 7 months to find. I've gone to all the stores and searched the internet specialty stores until I found it here. It sold out quickly. So if Amazon has it, buy it fast.